In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim Emirates Flight Delay Compensation 2026, step by step. If your Emirates flight was delayed, canceled, or you were denied boarding, this process can help you check whether you may be eligible for compensation. In some cases, passengers may be entitled to up to 600 euros, so it's definitely worth taking a few minutes to go through the form carefully. To begin, go to the eligibility page for Emirates flight delay and cancellation compensation. Once the page loads, you'll see information explaining that flight disruptions, such as delays of more than 3 hours, cancellations, or denied boarding, may qualify for a claim. This page is designed to help passengers quickly check their eligibility and start the process online. When you're ready, click on the Check Compensation button. This will open the claim form where you can begin entering your flight information. Take your time here, because accurate details will help avoid delays in reviewing your case. First, enter the basic flight details, including where your journey departed from and your final destination. Make sure you use the full itinerary, especially if your trip included more than one segment. The final destination matters because compensation eligibility is often assessed based on the total delay at the end of your journey, not just the first leg. Next, you'll be asked whether you had any connecting flights. Choose the option that matches your trip. After that, answer the question about whether you flew on all flights in your itinerary. This is important because missed, skipped, or rebooked segments can affect how the claim is evaluated. Once those answers are completed, continue to the next part of the form and enter the additional information requested. Fill everything in as clearly and accurately as possible. If you have your booking confirmation, boarding pass, or flight reference nearby, that can make this step easier and help you avoid mistakes. After that, add your supporting documents. Upload any relevant files the form asks for, such as travel documents or proof related to the disruption. Clear, readable documents can help strengthen your claim and make the review process smoother. Finally, once you've checked that all the details are correct and your documents have been attached, submit the claim. After submission, you'll typically need to wait for the claim to be reviewed. It's a good idea to keep copies of anything you uploaded just in case you need them later. And that's it. That's how to claim Emirates flight delay compensation step by step using Lenuabi.